In today's video, we're going to talk about the euro versus the Japanese yen. I'll give you an update to the last time I talked about this market and where I think it's going over the next few weeks. Okay, so looking here at the euro versus the Japanese yen, this is the daily time frame. And the last video that I made on this pair, we were talking about this trend line off of this March low down here. And we did get the market bouncing from this a little bit here in the last 24 hours. But so far, the market is looking relatively weak. And I was always looking for a breakdown from this structure to target the area around 151. Now, this level up here that got messy recently, this is also the level I talked about in the last video where we talked about the euro yen, and this level goes all the way back here to 2020. So you can see we've got this high back here, we've got this one, and we've also got these two highs through this area in 2022. So recently, the market did break above this and then close right back below. So this up here became a fake out following this close. However, we have seen the pair get pretty messy in this area, and on the daily time frame, it does look like this level was not respected at all. However, what I mentioned to members, daily price action members recently, is that if you look here at the 3-day time frame, what you'll notice is that we did get a confirmed fake out here on the 3-day. So this area up here became our fake out following this close below, and we got the retest up here and a bearish pin bar over the last few days. So this long upper wick up here on the 3-day time frame indicated that the market was respecting this area as new resistance following the fake out back here. So in fact, the euro yen did actually respect these levels incredibly well on the higher time frames. This is when you kind of have to play around the time frame to find out exactly what is happening here. So looking at the daily time frame, when we look at this here, we've got the trend line from March. We've got the fake out above this area up here, and we've also got other yen crosses rotating lower, including the pound yen and even the Canadian dollar versus the yen. All of those markets look like they are starting to break down. So with that in mind, and looking here at the daily and even the 12-hour time frame, you can see where yesterday the market tried to hold above it, and so far today it is rotating lower, although there is about 5 hours left in this candle. So if this closes below this trend line up here, then this becomes resistance, and I think we likely get that rotation lower down here toward some of these recent lows. So let's talk about that for a moment, because there is going to be a key level that comes into play here for the euro yen before 151. This is a very obvious level back here at 151 was resistance, so it should now act as support if we do get a retest. But we've also got levels like this one right through here off of these recent lows. So if we look here at this recent low right back here before the rally, and also this area right through here, right around 154, this is also going to be key support on the way down. So don't be surprised if we do get a move down here into this area, followed by a significant bounce up here toward this consolidation before that rotation lower. But if we do get that at this point right here, you would be looking for a potential lower high, a lower high right through this area, followed by that breakdown below 154. And the target there again would be 151. Of course, this is not financial advice. These videos never are. This is all just my opinion. But this is how I would be trading it, looking for a breakdown from that March trend line and also a potential bounce from 154. And by the way, guys, I talk about my trading group a lot, but if you are interested in joining, here's what you need to do. So what you need to do is look below this video here on YouTube in the description and click on that link for Blueberry Markets. Or if you're on the website, scroll down from this video and you'll see the link right there. Head over here to this page and fill out this application. Now once you fill out this application, you are going to have a choice from either a 20% deposit bonus or your first trade free, meaning that if your first trade is a loss, they will refund you up to $300. So it's literally a risk-free trade, or you can get that 20% deposit bonus. So once you sign up over here, you're going to deposit $500 or more and then message me on the website. I'll give you lifetime access to our trading group where I provide daily videos, exclusive setups, and also my trades in real time. So I'm going to show you my trades that I'm taking on the Euro USD, Bitcoin, etc. So once again, see the link in the description here on YouTube, or if you're on the website, scroll down from this video and you'll see the link to Blueberry Markets right there. Now, we could see the market move even lower than the 151 area, but it's also important to not get too greedy here because we do have the market trading all the way up here at 155. So even from these current levels down here toward 151, you're talking about a 400 pip drop. So that's a significant move for the euro yen if we do get it. Now, if we were to, over the coming weeks, get a break below 151, then we've also got this obvious area down here, right around 147. So that would be next if we do get the breakdown Of course, there are also these lows through here, but we'll talk about that if and when we get there. For now, it really just comes down to, can the market close the day below this area around 155.50 to open up 154 and potentially 151. And the only thing that would negate this idea is if we saw the euro yen rally, okay, so close back above this trend line today. So looking at the 12-hour time frame, if we were to see the market close above this trend line today, then there's no breakdown. It's important to wait for a confirmed breakdown here before looking for shorts. And so if we were to see the market close back above this trend line up here, that March trend line, and then also take out this area right around 158, these two recent highs, okay, a sustained break above this area right here would negate the bearish bias and also send the market higher. Okay, so that right there would be bullish for the euro yen. But as of right now, like I said, I do think that when we look at the 3-day time frame, okay, and we look at this fake out up here, we got the fake out above. All right, so this was our fake out through here. We got the rejection bearish pin bar right off of that recent high up here at 158. So given this right here, given this fake out that we saw, and today starting to break below that March trend line, I do like the idea of looking for shorts through this area. Just keep in mind that 154 is also going to be a significant support level. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. If it did, smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon for notifications. And don't forget to sign up to Blueberry Markets, where you can get your first trade free or a 20% deposit bonus. See the link in the description here on YouTube, or if you're on the website, scroll down from this video and you will see the link to Blueberry Markets right there. Trade well this week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.